How do I polish better? Well, you can start by getting a control. A control meaning a standard or a reference point to start off with. Get one polish, one polisher, and one polishing pad. Understand that first. Once you understand that, then you can start playing with the variables. You can start playing with arm speed, tool speed. You can also start talking about, okay, can I incorporate another pad? Need to understand what everything is capable of doing, the limits they can be pushed to, as well as your technical abilities. From there, you can incorporate new tools, new pads, new polishes, and you kind of have that baseline as well in the back of your mind to get a reference point. Okay, well, this is what I'm capable of doing at this point. Now let's try it with this variable changed or this variable taken out and added, maybe adding a new one. But without a reference point, you have nowhere to start. If you're constantly trying to find this magic potion of a polish or a pad or a tool that's going to do the job for you and get it done, you're never going to be good. It takes time, it takes understanding and experience to get this down. So stop looking for the magic bullet because it doesn't exist. Just polish, practice, get your form down, get your technique down, learn from as many different detailers as possible, find your style, find what works for you, find your polish, find your pads, find your method, find your technique, your form, all of that good stuff on your own. That's the only way to do it, and get help wherever you can. If there's trainings, take them. Learn from the pros, so save yourself the time and the money.